We have all heard about the greater Egerton stock. Found in over hundreds and thousands in India, in South Asia today, the scavenger bird is found to be one of the rarest stock found in India. However, there's someone whose passion and commitment has shown the difference how someone's love for a bird can bring in a difference between conservation and extinction. She is none other than Dr. Purnima Devi Burman.
Namaskar.
Dr. Purnima Devi Burman, she is a conservationist, she is a wildlife biologist. What makes her truly different is her commitment to work with the communities to protect the greater Egerton stock. And this has truly shown us how, together with her Hargila army, she has brought together 10,000 women together to protect this species. Today what we see is not just her protecting the species, but how culture, tradition, as well as the species, interlinked and interdependent, have come together to protect the ecosystem. Purnima Ba, once again, so happy to have you here. We really want to understand from you the journey, what made you really passionate about protecting this species from the brink of extinction, and how have you and your community come together to with the intersection of culture, tradition, and like all together, how have you come together to really protect the species?
So thank you so much for having me here. I'm really honored and very happy. And it starts from my childhood. From my grandma. She instilled the love for nature in me, and she taught me about Hargila and other species of birds. But it was my childhood love only. But I think my grandma sowed the first seed of Hargila army in me when I was a little child. And then I did my masters, and then I realized that the birds which I had deep love in my childhood were disappearing. And then my professors encouraged me to do my PhD on these birds. And then I got married, and then I became a mother, new mother. And at that time I was also studying for my PhD. And then one day, actually there was a life-changing encounter which happened in my life. I saw a man cutting down a huge nesting tree which was hosting 9 nests of the Hargila birds, and all the baby birds fell down. I was there and I was shocked and I got deeply pained. And when I confronted with the person, the tree cutter, he and his neighbors, everyone surrounded me and they mocked me and they yelled at me. And when I confronted, they told that this bird is a bad omen and a disease carrier. So I think that became a passion and our mission, and from that day I got a mission. I realized that PhD research would not be enough if we couldn't change the mindset of people, and this bird should be in our tradition and culture. So slowly I learned that whenever I went and met people, and people often complained because the bird, they told that bird is a scavenger bird. And so yeah, this way actually these challenges became a passion, and more I got complaint about the bird, more I saw them, more I saw the trees being cut down, more I saw these problems. This became a passion. And I every moment I realized that this should be the opposite. The mindset should be the opposite. If someone treat the bird as ugly, this should be a part of our tradition and culture. And this was a challenge in last 17 years of time, chasing my goal to bring the birds into tradition and culture. So I think in every moment these challenges became a passion and action, and I am very fortunate, I am very proud to mention that soon I realized the power of communities, and this my dream, it is my dream, but it can happen only if our communities come forward. They are the real heroes, they are the real stakeholders. And soon I realized, being a woman, I realized that that all our women are connected to the Hargila, connected to the trees and connected to the nature. So I realized the power of our women, especially in the rural areas. I come from a village, so I know the story of all our women in our neighbors, my own story. So I realized that if our women our women can only bring the birds into our tradition and culture. For example, you can see this is our Assamese mekhela sadars, and I think we have our emotions with this, and so our women make this, and they make them in bulk, and they weave them. They are unique weavers, and so this way our passion becomes fashion. So this way actually from a small movement, from a small band of women, now we have more than 10,000 women, and Hargila Army is like a sisterhood model. I also tell it as a when we work with communities and our Hargila Army, I always tell like this, that it is a behavior sense model, and it can be replicated, and it is expanding. So we are trying every day. It's a challenge, but we are trying, and I'm happy that an entire community come forward to save the birds, to save the trees.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's an incredible story, and how turning challenges into opportunities, and how women coming together and uniting together for a community initiative is what it makes truly a difference. And I think hats off to you for bringing these women together. We have also seen how the destruction of the wetlands, how the loss of the nest trees are really the contributors of towards bringing the status of the greater Egerton stock as one of the rarest.
Yeah.
So I think, but also like one step at a time, you're making a difference, and also you're bringing a lot of youth along with the women together to make a difference and preserve and protect the ecosystem for this scavenger bird. So what message would you have for the youth today to not just like save the ecosystem for the greater Egerton stock, but also the larger ecosystem for the entire species that we have on Earth today?
Yeah, so our youths are our future, and we work a lot with our youths, and I believe in optimism. And when I see our youths, the way they think nowadays, the way they come forward, they really inspire me. And my message for the youths: be very innovative, be very creative, and believe in yourself. I request all of our youths to realize the coexistence bond, and the way we carry, for example, the way we carry a message of Hargila, the message of the trees. So I request everyone to carry a message of a species or a landscape or a habitat or a tree. So if everyone comes with a message or sustainability, so if everyone comes forward and work and give voice for all the species together, and I think our world will be so beautiful.